Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville in Southfield Township Libraries. Today, we are going to take a look at how to add color to a spreadsheet and why that's useful. So if you have a small amount of data, like I do here, one way you can do it is to add color manually. And the way you would do that is to click and drag to highlight the cells that you want to add color to. So I have that first row highlighted, and I can come up here in the Home tab, find my paint bucket, which is my fill color feature, and I can choose a color from there. And then you want to alternate a row and add the color to the row like that. So what that does is it's going to make your information a bit easier to read, especially when you have a lot of information. So it's not so important in a small amount like I have here, but when you have pages and pages of data, it can be very useful. So I'm going to take out my highlights here, and like I said, if you have pages and pages of data, one thing that you can do rather than highlighting line by line is come up here in the corner to this little triangle, and that highlights your entire spreadsheet. And then you can do format as table. Now, it would take me a long time to format the entire thing, so I'm just going to highlight my little amount of data for this example. So we'll come back to Format as Table. And here we have a selection of different format styles. So I'm going to choose this blue one here. And it asks, what is the data range that you would like your table to use? And does your table have headers? Mine does. I have book characters and address as my headers. Now, if you notice, it inserted these little arrows on the top of my information. Let's take a look at what those are. So those actually have inserted options now that would allow me to sort through my columns. So if I click A to Z, it now sorted alphabetically, and I can sort my address numerically. So if you have a large amount of data, this can be very helpful if you need to look through it and find something very quickly. So those are just some uses for adding color to a spreadsheet and how you can do that fairly easily. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.